What if your business could run itself? Right now, this very second, there are AI systems booking sales calls, writing entire marketing campaigns, qualifying leads, and generating real revenue, completely on autopilot. I'm not talking about chatbots. I'm not talking about simple automation. I'm talking about AI agents, fully autonomous digital workers that think, plan, and execute complex tasks while you focus on growing your business. And today, I'm revealing the 3 most insane automation ideas submitted by you, our community, that you can actually build in 2025. I'm from Metacore Innovations, where we deliver evidence-based AI insights for USA small business owners. And trust me, what you're about to see will change how you think about automation forever. Let's get into it. Okay, first, what are AI agents and why should you care? Traditional AI? You ask, it answers. Simple. AI agents? They're completely different. They plan multi-step strategies, execute tasks autonomously, use real tools, APIs, databases, web scrapers, learn and adapt from results, run 24/7 without supervision. Tools like N8N, LangChain, and Amazon Bedrock have made this accessible, even if you're not a developer. The impact? According to recent research from PwC and BCG, businesses deploying AI agents are seeing up to 66% productivity increases, with efficiency gains ranging from 30% to 200% depending on the use case. For small businesses competing against bigger players, this is your equalizer. Now, let's break down your ideas. Idea massive for content-dependent businesses. Idea number 2, and this one got the most requests. An AI that finds leads, qualifies them, reaches out, and nurtures them automatically. This is the lead generation machine. And this is where AI agents get powerful. The complete system. Step 1, prospecting. The agent scrapes LinkedIn, industry directories, and business databases based on your ideal customer profile, company size, location, industry, pain points. Step 2, qualification. It cross-references prospects with revenue databases, hiring data, and social signals to score lead quality on a 1 to 10 scale. Step 3, outreach. Sends personalized emails or LinkedIn messages, not generic spam. Each message references specific company details. Step 4, nurturing. When leads respond, the agent continues the conversation, answers questions, shares resources, and books meetings directly into your calendar. Step 5, CRM integration. Everything, every interaction, every score, every note, logs automatically into your CRM. Real-world results? In our video, from $0 to $47,000 in 90 days, we documented this exact workflow generating $47,000 in new business over 3 months. Monthly cost? Around $50 in API fees. But here's the critical part. For USA businesses, you must comply with CAN-SPAM Act for email marketing, CCPA for California residents, TCPA for any calls or texts, LinkedIn's terms of service. Violate these. You face fines up to $43,792 PR email under CAN-SPAM. This isn't optional. Done correctly with compliance built in, this scales infinitely. Feasibility score, 8 out of 10. Build time, 5 to 7 hours. Legal risk, medium, requires compliance knowledge. Idea number 3, an AI tutor that adapts in real time to your learning style. For SMB owners, imagine training employees on new software, industry regulations, or sales techniques without expensive consultants. How the adaptive tutor works. Step 1, baseline assessment. Quick diagnostic quiz identifies knowledge gaps and learning pace. Step 2, personalized curriculum agent pulls resources, video tutorials, documentation, case studies, practice exercises, customized to the learner's level. Step 3, adaptive difficulty. Struggling with pivot tables in Excel? The agent creates 3 easier exercises with video support. Breezing through? It accelerates to advanced macros and automation. Step 4, continuous tracking. Weekly progress reports, retention quizzes, and adjusted learning paths. The evidence? Research from Science Direct and educational institutions shows adaptive AI learning systems can improve student outcomes by up to 30% and significantly boost engagement and completion rates. You can build a working prototype in 3 to 5 hours using LangChain plus Claude or Gemini. The downside? Quality depends on your training data. Poor inputs create poor outputs. But for employee onboarding, skills training, or professional development, the ROI is incredible. Feasibility score, 7 out of 10. Build time, 3 to 5 hours. Best for training-heavy businesses. All right, real talk. AI agents aren't perfect. They hallucinate facts, API costs add up fast. They need constant maintenance. They raise ethical concerns. The research is clear. Human-AI collaboration wins. Agents handle repetitive tasks, data processing, and drafts. You handle strategy, creativity, and decisions. The autonomous AI market, $8.5 billion by 2026, $35 billion by 2030. Early adopters are already winning. My advice for US ASMBS: start small, test one workflow, use free tiers, prove ROI, scale. 3 automation ideas. You can build content creation factory, 2 to 4 hours, lead generation machine, 5 to 7 hours, adaptive personal tutor, 3 to 5 hours. Which one are you building first? Drop it in the comments. Share your own crazy ideas too. Ready to work on your business instead of in it? Subscribe to Metacore Innovations for no-hype AI insights every week. Hit like, turn on notifications. Every tool and resource is in the description. The future's here. Will you build it or get left behind? Now go make something amazing.